This is Ivan with Golden Oak Plumbing Services. We're currently at La GUANAQUITA restaurant. We're running the sewer camera from the 2-inch cast iron material access point behind the sink that is obviously continuing to back up and doesn't drain properly. As you can see, this is the inside of the actual pipe. This pipe is just completely rusted and gone. At this point, the pipe seems to be rotting from the inside out. Definitely needs to be replaced. Definitely will recommend a full replacement of this area. Probably no more than 10 feet of pipe, where we would have to saw cut, and break concrete, excavate about 1 to 1.5 feet, and replace this section of pipe with new ABS material pipe, and install a new P-trap and a new inlet for the sinks above. Once again, this is Ivan, Golden Oak Plumbing, and recording session now.